everyone, it's TK Shows here, and today I'm going to be making a volcano using a little bottle, some distilled vinegar and some baking soda. So I'm just pouring the distilled vinegar in right now. In this balloon I have got some baking soda, so I am going to put the baking soda into the distilled vinegar and you will see what will happen. It's starting to take action. As you can see, it's sort of foaming up. I'm just adding a bit more baking soda in. As you can see, it's exploded. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you press that like and subscribe button, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!